Hello and welcome back to my channel where I fix bullshit that breaks around the house. Today nothing actually broke, we're just doing a simple oil change. This is a 2022 F-150 with a V8 in it, and we're going to change the oil. I'm going to list all the parts you need and show you where everything is, so this can be an easy job for you. You save a little money not taking it to a shop to get your oil changed. So let's get started. So here I'm just sliding under the vehicle, getting back to where the oil pan is. And here you can see I've reached the oil pan. It's not too far back, but here in this view, you can see that it's just kind of towards the back end of the two front tires. So that just gives you an idea about where you need to get to. It's about in the middle. Anyways, here I'm just taking out the oil plug, moving my drip pan into position. And here we're just putting the oil plug back in. So right up here in the front, here's your oil filter. Hopefully. So this thing is on tighter than shit. I had to get a big channel locks to bust it loose because I can't find my oil wrenches anywhere. But anyways, I got it loose, and there's a little channel here that'll catch the oil and direct it into your pan. So let's do it the rest of the way. Oh yeah, that works. Nice. This is the first time I've changed oil in this truck. Anyways. And now it's dripping and missing the pan here. Okay, that was a nice attempt at something convenient. So I got my new oil filter here. We'll just put some oil on the gasket. Tighten it up. Now we're going to fill it. Take the oil cap off. Wipe out your funnel if it's dirty. So this takes over, I think, 7.7 quarts. So we're going to put this whole thing in. All right, so we have 5 quarts in. I'm reading 7.5 quarts online, so we'll just put 7.5 in and we'll check it. All right, got a little over 7.5 quarts in there now. So we're gonna turn it on and run it for a bit, and then we'll check the dipstick. Now we're gonna check the level. I turned it on for about a minute. Let the oil run through, let it sit for a bit. Can you get that? Focus in on it. So it looks like we're good. We're a little, looks like we're a little on the high side. So out of the second, I went just beyond 2.5 quarts here just by accident. So we're on the high side. So gives you an idea how much to put. I would stay at the 2.5 mark if you can, but we're good. Okay, reset the oil. Turn the ignition on. Hit OK a bunch of times. Okay, go to your menu, and you're gonna go to settings, and you'll go to vehicle maintenance. So just scroll until you find vehicle maintenance. Oil life, and it says press OK to it says hold OK to reset oil life. So we're just gonna hold OK, and we just reset it to 100%. Here's the menu button, here's the OK button, and that's how you reset the oil life. So hopefully this helps you change your oil, find your plug and where the oil filter is and everything. I'll list the tools I used for you so you can have them ready. But it was a 15mm socket for the oil plug, and since I can't find any of my oil filter tools, I just used a big channel lock to get it off. So use what you have, right? So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you out.